Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by locating the border seam and observing how it's attached. This tells you how to remove it without damaging the body fabric. Use chalk to mark a 1/2 to 1 seam allowance and pin a short test section. Then position a seam ripper at the end stitch, lift the knot, and cut only the connecting thread. Move deliberately. Removing one small area first lets you confirm stitch pattern and tension before proceeding across the entire border. Once done with the test area, continue in short sections to keep control. Rip 6 to 12 at a time so you can address any snag immediately. Carefully pull out the threads with tweezers rather than tugging, because pulling can distort the saree body or fray the border. As you free each section, press the seam allowance flat with a low iron to prevent puckering and to see remaining stitches. Save the border pieces if you plan to reuse them later. To finish, trim stray fibers and evaluate the raw edge. If you want a clean factory look, machine zigzag or overcast the exposed edge, otherwise use tiny hand stitches to stabilize it. If holes or pulls appear, mend with fine hand stitching or a tiny patch from leftover border fabric. This restores strength without bulk. Make sure to press gently for final drape. If something goes wrong, stop, secure the area with pins, and reevaluate stitch direction.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.